Hello, this is Ripo Nochan Chapal from wpthemehat, and today we will have a look how we can make a coming soon page for our WordPress website. So as you can see here, I am making my website. This is the first look of my website. Now I want that if a visitor comes to my website, he don't see these kind of things at all, because I don't want my visitors visit these bad things at all. So I want that if they came to my website, then they will see that we are making our website, so we will launch very soon. So for that I will make that coming soon page. So for making that, I will go to my backend here in my WordPress dashboard, and I will install a plugin called Elementor. So I will install the plugin Elementor. So Elementor, I will install it and I will activate the plugin here now. So after install and activate, I will see two options here. One is Elementor and one is template. So from Elementors, I will go for this tools options, and in here you can see here the maintenance mode that is on. So here you can see the coming soon. Choose mode, so you can disable it, you can make it coming soon, you can make it to maintenance mode. So I will make it to coming soon. Then who can access? Obviously logged in, the default one, and choose template. We don't have any kind of template. So for these options we need to, as you can see, to enable maintenance mode, you have to set a template for the maintenance mode page. Select one or go ahead and create a new one. So we need to create a new one. So we'll click on here, create one, and in here we'll make a coming soon page. So we'll give the name coming soon and click publish here, and after that I will click here edit with Elementor, and you can see here's the header and the footer. We don't want this part at all. So what we will do, we will click on settings here, and the page layout, that will be Elementor canvas. So after choosing the Elementor canvas, you can see it is fully blank area now. So I will go for here, click on the add new container, and I will choose this one, and in the style this content box I will make it full width, okay, and I will set a minimum height about 700, or you can make whatever you want, 710 or whatever you want, okay, or you can make it VH, that is 100, okay. VH means from your screen to top of your screen to bottom of your screen, that does means the VH. So in here I will set a background image. So for that I will go on style tab, then on the background I will select on classic, then image. So I have some image here, I will select one. Now we'll set the position to center, then repeat is no repeat, display is cover, okay. Now I will give a background overlay here, so it looks a little bit good here. Okay, and we will increase this too. And now I will click on this plus icon. Then I will upload the site logo that I want to show here. So I will choose the image, drag and drop the image here. Now from this I will upload my image. So this is one logo that I will select, and you can on the navigator from here, and you can see that the container area. So from there in the layout I will choose that justify content is in center, okay. You can choose whatever you want, your logo or whatever you want to show here, okay. So after the image I want to show a heading, so I'll go to heading here. So I'll write we are coming soon, okay, and in the style tab I will make it center align. I will give the color to white, will increase the font size, okay. Then I will add some social icons. So I will search for social icon, then drag and drop it, okay. So it's a pretty nice coming soon page that I have already made, and you can change your logo to into your logo, and you can give some, suppose I want to give some padding here in top like 30 pixels, in bottom like 30 pixels, so it will make some distance here. So this is the basic setup of our coming soon plugin. Okay, so I will click on here the update button, then again I will go here in the tools and give a refresh here, and choose template. I will select the coming soon here, and I will click on save changes. Now if I go on here and give a refresh here, I will not see any kind of changes caused I am logged in. So for seeing the changes here, I need to go on incognito mode. So I will copy the URL from here, and I will click here in 3 dots and new incognito window, then I will paste it, and boom, you can see the coming soon page is here. So if I type a URL here like /home, it is coming the coming soon page, or if I say some random URL, it will take me to the coming soon page. So that's the way you can set your coming soon page.